welcome back to another episode of Brianna with her dogs. So actually this is the first episode because my brother did not want me to post his feet in the other one. So here's the first one. Anyways, the dogs are goofy in the other one, so they probably just chill because my puppy barks at everything. If my dog, if her mom, so Bluey, get out of the garbage. Okay. Aha, Missy Foo. I'm gonna put this hacky sack in there. Okay, wait, this is, okay. Look at this. Grabbing out of the trash. Oh my gosh, I can't even make it. We do not grab things out of the trash, ma'am. Like, what's going on? Ew, did you just kiss me? Zoe, come here. You're a fan favorite, Zoe, let's go. Yeah, Bluey. Named after the TV show. You want to wrestle in the living room? Let's go wrestle. Let's go play. Okay, first off, let me get the camera set or weighted. Got it. Come here. Let me grab your tug of war toy. If you actually want to play rough today, let's see. You want this? Oh, you do. Oh, God. Get in there. Move this over. Bye. And then, oh my God. You're a feisty little puppy. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Ready? Rawr, rawr, rawr. La 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 la. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Ooh. The fuzzy thing is Zoe down there. He said, go. Yeah. Why'd you grab my handle? LOL? LOL? What's going? No, now get the slobbery one. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Some of my little friends came over and fed them many treats, so. Whoa. This is good to get your energy out, man. This is not a fan favorite for Zoe, but it's a fan favorite for you. Oh, you're using your feet. You know what happens after, Bluey? Here, hold on, let's chill. You know what happens? Is we'll end up on the floor. Oh God! Hey! Wait! Oh, I'm getting dragged by a puppy. Okay. Good job. It is now well worth it, isn't it, Bluey, to get the figure 8? Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm sorry. Jeez. Hey! Just because she's eating something doesn't mean it's yours. Bluey, you left yours outside. Go with it, bro. This will distract you. There's one right here. You wanna play fetch? Drop it. Let go. Oh, wee. You wanna say hi to my fellow adventurers? Wee. Oh, sorry. My bad. Want to say hi to the crew, or you want to play fit? Let go. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at this. Hey, Bluey, you want the Culvers? Here, you want the Culvers? You want the, ow, let go, drop it. Wait, drop it. Oh my gosh. Right. It's my Culver's toy. Here. Give me the Culver's toy. Keep it off the top. Give me it. Drop it. Let go. Wanna play fetch? Oh my gosh. So bad at this. Ready? Fetch? Fetch? Hey! Ready? Fetch? Wanna play fetch? You wanna play fetch? Oh, yeah? You wanna wrestle? You wanna wrestle? By the way, Bluey is 2 and she is 9. Or, I don't know. Bluey, he not be doing nothing. Okay, she not be doing nothing. This is hers. Now let me pay attention. Zoe be doing nothing, boy and girl. Sorry, they're females. Okay, you want it? Woo! Okay. I'm just gonna crash on this couch now. Ay, ay, ay. Dee-da-dee-da-dee-da-doo. Okay, let's see. I wish I could flip over my... What are you doing? Why are you over... Okay, whatever. Let's go find... Okay. I'm gonna put you there. I'm gonna show you something. So, I made this volcano. We have future video. And this part broke off of it. It's supposed to be attached here. There you go. And him. Yes, and then now I'm going to show you a camera that I got. No, it's a Canon camera. Here's an empty tube of film. If you want to know, it is a Canon camera. Well, you just put it in a Canon case. It cannot. Okay, Karens, let's be real. Be for real. It says it right there too. You want a sketch? Okay. Be for real, bros. Okay, so it has this. Bluey quit it. So it's like really big and everything. And I just don't know how to open. What? And that's what it looks like inside. You should not be touching that, so. And I can see you guys do the, whoa. That's cool. I'm gonna just do this on this, whatever thing. So we're just gonna take you. You're gonna be looking through this. Let's get started. First things first is you just need to, oh. Alright, now, we don't really know where your end is, so we're just going to figure this out. Isn't that cool, guys? Yeah. Cool. So, my grandma's sister had one of these, and then I think she had another one my grandma just wanted to bring to us. and I love anything old. So yeah, I mean, not a lot of people, like, a lot of times people nowadays, like, it's super easy to take photos wherever you go, but honestly, because you could text and call on a phone, and, like, you could do a lot of things on a phone, and a camera, you would just do one thing with, and a lot of times, people in the early 2000s, late 90s, and stuff like that, they would, like, a lot of teenagers and stuff, like, a lot of kids, like, let's say, a lot of kids who are in, like, 5th grade now, my brother's friends have watches that they can text on, or, like, some form of communication, which in like, the late 90s, early 2000s, when, like, flip phones were bang, I guess, like, those kids, if they were in 5th or 4th grade, they did not have those type of things. Anyways, those kids are graduated. They are graduated from college. Anyways. Or they, I don't know. Anywho, yeah. So the camera just goes into this fuzzy little pocket, and it goes into there, and then where would you store the light? Not the light, oh my gosh, the extra film. You would store it in this little pocket up here. I would say there would be a little bit more digital cameras in the late 90s, early 2000s, I believe, but in, like, when my parents were teenagers, yeah. Okay. And yeah, so, yeah. I'll be right back. Alright, I was gonna grab some clay from my little cabinet or something, but I couldn't find it, so I'm just gonna... I found a Sharpie, and I found my notebook. I decorated it at my youth group. Tried to do the Dominican flag. That turned out real bad, but... Oh no, wait, I could just do this. Anyways. We're just gonna, like, I don't know. There you go. It looks kind of bad, but now it looks like a flag. Anyways, we're not doing the front cover. We're doing the inside with... It's just a blank sheet notebook that has all these things. And also, this is just not... It's not tape. It's like the notebook itself. Anyways. Anywho... Let's get started. Today we are, I really love enjoying drawing mountains, so I'm going to draw a mini set of mountains. I don't believe it. So I got the mini set of mountains done, and then we're going to, like, add, like, little bits of snow or something, I think. Yeah. So, bits of snow, bits of whatever. Now, I'm going to add, like, a sun over here. And I find my crayons. Okay. Then we'll add, like... Ooh, cool. Actually, I'm going to, like... Ooh, how am I going to do this? Because it's on my phone stand right now. So, it's going to be interesting. I'm gonna put you on this lotion bottle, but you're gonna be like, ooh, wrong way. Can you see us, by the way? Actually, no, I'm just gonna describe things. Oh, it's upside down. Okay. I'm just gonna do, oh, that works better. You don't need to see my face. We're gonna move the lotion out of the way. Okay, I don't need this. Okay. Then we're going to add a bird in the corner here, and a bird in the corner here. And then we're going to add, like, a stream or something that's going down the middle there. We'll just do it this way. down the middle there into like a little. Okay, that looks really bad. I don't know what the heck that is, but hey, it works. And then we'll just add grass everywhere. This marker's dying on me. We'll add a tree there. Okay, it's not a tree, it's a cross, I guess. Whatever. And then we're adding like a tree here. I don't know what, okay. Whatever, we're gonna add more grass. Dun dun dun, dun dun dun. We're gonna add more grass, grass, grass. Alrighty. And then we'll add little waves in the water, little ripples in the water. And how many little fishy in the water. Okay, yay, we did it. Yay, we did it. Yay. I'll be right back because I need to grab a marker. So I found this random bag of just markers and stuff. That did not take me that long. So I paused you guys, but it didn't take me that long. So it didn't take me like hours, you know? Anyway, so I just like found this like thing. I think it was like old school. Like, why is there? Okay, hold on a second. Excuse me? Why is there a pair of earrings in here? Like the heck? Anywho, we'll just take out all the rubbish. Garbage, anyways. We're gonna use an actual highlighter for this. Because it will work. What is this? What the heck? Okay, we just. And I try to get off my finger and it's going at me. Okay. I'll also grab this out just in case I need another one. There's like crayons, there's broken mechanical pencils, there's somebody colored, oh, wait, hey, oh, this is broken. Wait, why didn't I take that? Hey, we can use the greenhouse grass too. So we're just gonna fill in my old photo. And I'm just gonna use this as the grayish, you know. I'm not that talented, you know, guys. So bear with me. Bear with me. Bear with me. I don't get a lot of time to film, like a lot of like opportunities to film videos, honestly. Because like my family is like around and they don't want to be in like YouTube. And I'm like, guys, I just film for fun, like, you know. What is this little? Oh, it's a pen. Got it. Anywho. And so yeah, I just tell them, hey, I'm just filming for fun, you know. I just colored in that cloud. It's fine, whatever. Anyways, I like film for fun, or like I make videos just for fun, you know. And like I can block the comments. And yeah, I know, but like you can still get judged and stuff. Like, guys, like honestly, I mean I can get judged even though I don't post anything online, you know? Like I feel like when you're like at a high school game or something, and like sometimes and you pass people and whatever, you're at like a football game, or you're like out somewhere with like, you know, you're at school or you're at some high school event. I feel like a lot of times people will be like, what the heck, like, why would you do that? Like I feel like because you're gonna end up in somebody's TikTok video just being in the background. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I've been on somebody's TikTok video before, and they were just asking things about Shrek, you know? And like, I think that was fun. I thought that was like really, you know, and I'm like the type of person who like wants to bring life to the party, you know? Wants to bring the, you know? And I don't really care about views and such, but like if it's a video I've been like tediously working on, okay. I'm gonna color in the cross. Okay, wait, hold on a second. Just gonna color in the cross a little bit more. Alright, we're done with that. And now we gotta color in this tree here. And my mom isn't liking posting about like, I don't know, my disorders and stuff, but I do because I feel like there's not a lot of stuff like that. And like a lot of times people go to Google, and usually Google, like if they search up something on Google, it usually, and they could pick YouTube. Yeah, and they can go to like a portion that says video, and then, you know, they could be searching things up, and then usually a lot of people like short and easy and simple stuff. And so, and them knowing that, like, you know, God or something, or like, my mom doesn't want me to post like anything, and I'm like, guys, like, you can like showing something a good effect of a disorder or something, you know what I mean, is a good thing. And I didn't delete it. Because I got a really good comment from my counselor. She follows me on Instagram. My story is private, by the way. Anyways, she follows me on Instagram, and like she said like something that was very inspiring to me, and I didn't want to lose the comment, because if you delete the video, you lose the comment, and if you re-add the video, you're not going to comment back. And so I was like, I'm keeping it, you know. And like after I post like many other things, it's gonna be lost in my feed, you know. It's gonna be lost, like it's gonna be down, you know, down in my feed, you know. And so I'm just like, okay, like what's the problem? Like, here, hold on, I'm just like coloring this in, and it's kind of left. Now we're gonna color my dude in, you know. I'm gonna color it in yellow. It's like really windy outside or something. Or it's just the exhaust fan that nobody turned off, that I'm too lazy to turn off. Whatever, we're making homemade pizza tonight anyways. It's Friday, I had no school today because it was an institute day. I hate institute days, so that means I have no school and whatnot, you know. I'd rather have a Monday off because I'm already in the weekend mode, but usually that means I practice, so, you know. Anyways, if you commit to a sport, you commit to a sport, so you can't complain. Have a good attitude, you know. So just bear with the little like squeaking noises of my marker if it resonates on screen.
I feel like so many people can watch your live video without, like, going into it. And so then, like, there can be so many people who are just watching it from not actually pressing the thing. You know? Which I don't like how YouTube does that. Like, I wish it's like, you know, shows us a little bit, but then says, if you want to, and then stops it, and then says, if you want to continue watching this, you need to press the video. You know? Okay, now we just have to cover up all the white areas because it's none working. So we're gonna try the other marker. Okay, grand reveal. There it is. It's my smiley face guy. Put in the comments down below what you want to name this little dude. If anybody actually watches this video until this long. I feel like after years and years of a video being on YouTube, sometimes it's like, I don't understand why it's like Vaseline. Like, why is it the consistency of Vaseline? Oh. I could be watching TV right now, but then my mom would scold me later, so we're not gonna do that. She's like, why didn't you blah, blah, blah? Why didn't you do blah, blah? I'm like, girlie. Are they coming in my driveway? I'm so dang confused. So dang confused. Oh, they're coming in my driveway. So we're just going to stop the vlog. Episode. See ya. Go outside and play.